Welcome to Modern Group of Institution. In BP50P Pharmacology second practical, the first practical is study of diuretic activity of drug using rat or mice. So, in this practical, we study about effect of various drugs as a diuretic on rat or mice. The contents of today's practical is aim, reference, requirement, principle, procedure, observation, and calculation result. The aim is study of diuretic activity of drug using rat or mice. The references for this practical are Pillai KK Experimental Pharmacology, first edition 2009, CBS publisher, New Delhi, page number 115 to 120. And another reference is Kulkarni SK, Handbook of Experimental Pharmacology, third edition, 1999, Vallabh Prakashan, page number 37 to 39. The requirement for the practical are either we can use Vistar albino rats or Swiss mice, and the apparatus used for this practical are oral feeding needle, or we can say oral cannula, metabolic cage, measuring cylinder, funnel. The drugs and solution used for this practical are furosemide 5 mg per kg solution, urea 900 mg per kg solution, and normal saline 2 ml per kg solution. All these solutions are given orally with the help of oral feeding needle or oral cannula. What is the basic principle of this experiment? As we know, diuretics are the compound which increases the urine output. Normal urine output of rats is 1 to 2 ml per day. Hence, the measurable quantity of the animal should be first hydrated. The urine output is increased after the administration of various diuretics like urea and furosemide. Increase in the volume of urine is measured with the help of measuring cylinder and compared with the normal urine output of the rat. Now, the procedure for this practical, albino rats of either sex between 150 to 200 gram are fasted, that is deprived food and water overnight, and saline is administered orally. These rats are divided into three groups, that is as follow. Group 1 only normal saline, group 2 saline plus urea, group 3 saline plus furosemide. As we know, urea is a diuretic agent and is comes under the category of osmotic diuretics. It it increases the urine volume with the help of osmosis process, and furosemide is a diuretic. It is also known as loop diuretics, which which increase the diuretic action by blocking the sodium potassium chloride co-transport channel present at the lumen. So, after the administration of the drug, rats are placed in three different metabolic cages. Urine is collected in the measuring cylinder. Time when the first drop of urine is collected in the cylinder for each group is noted, and the volume is recorded at interval of 15 minutes for 3 to 4 hours. The difference in the volume collected at different time interval and total volume can be compared with various diuretics. Now, for the observation and calculation, we have just mentioned the rough data. After 15 minutes in normal, in group first, that is only we are giving normal saline. After 15 minutes, 0.5 ml of urine is collected. After 30 minutes, 1 ml of urine is collected, and after 4 hours, 2 ml urine is collected. Total volume of urine in normal saline group is 2 ml, whereas in group second, saline plus urea, after 15 minutes it is 1.5, after 30 minutes it is 2 ml, and after 4 hours it is 4 hours. The total urine volume collected in group 2 is 4. Now, in group third, that is saline plus furosemide, after 15 minutes, that is 3 ml. After 30 minutes it is again 3 ml, and after 4 hours it is 6 ml. The total volume collected in group 3 is that is 6 ml. Now how can we calculate that which diuretics is more effective? So we take out diuretic index, that is urine volume in the test group and oblique urine volume in the control group. As we see, the urine in the second group, that is saline plus urea, the urine volume is 4, and in the control group the urine volume is 2. So the diuretic index for the group second is 2 and diuretic index for the group third is 3. So on the basis of this, the result can be, we can say the result is the diuretic index of group second was found to be 2 and group third it is found to be 3. So from this result and from this data we can conclude that the furosemide is more potent diuretic as compared to urea. Thank you very much.